Warning! This video have swearing and loud noise.
Grounded, Royce bedoys. Ha ha ha! You can't catch me, T-Rex. Your arms are too short. Whoosh, yappa, oimisihat. Whoosh, yappa, oimisihat. Oh no, that is not nice, Royce bedoys. Again? Did he just mock his mom too? Oh, he's gonna be in deep, deep trouble.
That's it, stupid! You need a timeout, go to the corner!
To his mom.
I don't think he is happy. No, stupid! Go sit in the corner now!
Oh, his mom is down. Fine, fine, fine! I hate timeouts. Am I done yet? This is so boring. But this is so fun. Oh no, he should be timing out. He shouldn't be playing with his toys right now. What are you doing, Royce bedoys? You're not supposed to play when you're in timeout. Now you have to time out longer. Your teacher's calling me. Hello, Miss H? Royce bedoys stole an eraser? I'll take care of it. Bye, Miss H. Uh-oh. I think Royce bedoys is in trouble. You're grounded, Royce bedoys. You can't go to Mrs. house for a week. Go to your room. Ooh, his mom is mad. No, you're grounded. Oh no. He's going to miss this cool pool party. What is he going to do? Royce bedoys, make a
Stupid!
choice. Oh, he's in his room thinking. What is he going to do? Oh my. I know exactly what to do. Royce bedoys, you can come out now. I have a letter for you, Mommy. Oh, so he wrote a letter.